Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Number 1. The third zone plan, also called as dash. Answer is Mountbatten Plan. Number 2. East India Company was established in dash. Answer is December 31st, 1600. Number 3. Chief of Army Staff General Asam Munir has been promoted to which rank in May सन 2025? Answer is Field Marshal. Number 4. The cabinet mission announced their plan on which date? Answer is 16th May 1946. Number 5. Who was the first person in Pakistan who received Nishan-e-Haider? Answer is Captain Sarwar Shahid. Number 6. Muslim League was founded in which year? Answer is 1906. Number 7. Rawal Dam is built on the river dash. Answer is Korang River. Number 8. Who was the Defense Minister of Pakistan in 2016? Answer is Khwaja Mohammad Asif. Number 9. India revoked Article 370 on dash. Answer is 5th August 2019. Number 10. Badshai Mosque in Lahore is also called dash. Answer is Emperor Mosque.